So good morning students, how are you? How are you all? I hope you are good. So are you watching my videos? You should and must watch my videos. Why? Because if you skip my video, any one video, then you will get confused. Okay, this is an English, so you have to maintain. Okay, you have to maintain your regular days. So yesterday in the earlier classes we have discussed about the grammar. I mean the vocabulary part. Okay. So I have said you the glossary part, and in vocabulary part also I have discussed some bits. Okay. So today in the earlier class I have said you that some second and third bit we'll do it later, right? So today we are going to do that. So the second bit is, if you are having textbooks, please take it out, student. So I'll write the page number. So page number is 4 and 5. If you have textbooks, you can know it. Okay. So the second bit is, read the following paragraph and analyze it in terms of cause and effect or consequence. One has been done for you. So, cause and effect or consequence. What is cause and what is consequence or effect? Cause is an action. That means what you will do. Okay, what you are doing is an action. And what is effect or consequence? It is a result. That means what you will do and what result it will give. Okay. Cause is what you will do, that means action, and consequence is what the effect it will give for you. What is the effect is done for that an action. So please remember this, cause is action and the consequence is effect or consequence is result. Consequence or effect. So cause is an action and consequence or effect is an result. Have you understand? So one paragraph is given for us in our textbook. So let us do it. The animal in the forest were friendly. So the jackal could not eat any animal. So how was that animal? Animals in the forest were friendly. How are the animals? They are friendly. So jackal could not eat any animal. So here you can find one answer. Okay. How the animals were in the forest? Animals were friendly. So what happened? So the jackal could not eat any animal. As these animals are friendly, jackal could not eat animal. See. So jackal could not eat any animal. So here students, okay. I have said you what is cause? Cause is an action. And what is consequence or effect? It is a result. That means what you will do, for that what it happens. Okay? What you will do. If you see, you will eat an apple. So what effect it shows? It is good for health. Okay? Like that. Okay, and I'll tell you one another example. See, you will fall down. You will get hurted. Okay, so, I mean you will run off. Okay, you will run and you will fall down. So what the result you will get? You will get hurt. Okay, you will get hurt. So what you are doing? You are falling down. You are running very fast. So you are falling down. So what result you will get? You will get hurted. Okay, you are running fast. So only you are hurted. Like that. See, animals were friendly. How are they? They are friendly. So that only jackal could not eat any animal. Okay? Animals are friendly. So that jackal could not eat any animal. Are you understanding, students? See, this is cause and this is consequence. What is cause? What is happening? Animals are friendly. So what is consequence? As these animals are friendly, jackal could not eat any animal. Okay. So again, the jackal then thought of plan and implemented it. The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal plan worked. So what the jackal thought? Jackal thought he wanted to implement a plan. What plan he wanted to implement? As you know, as I said you in the lesson, I have explained you in the lesson. You know that very well. What he did, he wanted to create a distance between the animals, right? So he planned and he implemented it. So what happened? The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal plan worked. See, again we got other consequence. So what? The animals started suspecting each other. The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal plan worked. So what is happening? Animals started suspecting each other. What is that? That is consequence. Why? Because this is a result. This is the result of an action. That means animals started creating distance between them. Created distance between them. That means they are suspecting each other. So why they are suspecting? Suspecting means this is an result. This is a consequence. So why this is happening? This is happening because of an action. So what action is that? Jackal plan worked. So that is cause. Okay. Jackal has implemented a plan. So that has been worked. So that is cause. So Jackal plan worked. So then what is the consequences? The animals started suspecting each other. The animals started suspecting each other. See, please listen carefully what I am saying, okay? So, cause is an action and consequence is a result, okay? So, what is happening here? What is happening here? The animals started suspecting each other, right? Why they started suspecting each other? Because jackal has planned something and he implemented it, okay? What he did? Implemented also, okay? So, what has happened? So, jackal plan has worked. So, only animals started suspecting each other. So, this has happened. So, only result was this, okay? I hope you are understanding, students. So, we'll continue next one. The life in the forest became dull because there were no musical evenings. All the animals requested the sadhu for help. See, again we got other cause and consequence. The life in the forest became dull. So, what is happening? This is a result, okay? This is a consequence. That means what is happening in the forest? The forest became dull. Why it has become dull? There were no musical evenings. Why? There was no musical evenings. That is why the forest became dull. Okay, are you understanding? So, the forest became dull is a result or a consequence. So, why it has become dull? Because of no musical evenings. So, what will be the cause? Because of no musical evenings. There were no musical evenings. So then what will be the consequence? I mean, what will be the result? There were no musical evenings. So musical evenings are not there. So what it will be? Forest became dull. The life in the forest became dull. Okay, the life in the forest became dull. See, I hope you are understanding. Please listen carefully. So, what is the cause? There were no musical evenings. Why there were no musical evenings? So, okay. There were no musical evenings. Musical evenings are not there. So, what it will be? So, how the forest will be? The forest will be dull. Why the forest will be dull? Because of no musical evenings, like that. Okay. So cause and consequences are interrelated with each other. Here you can say that these are related to each other. So this gives you, this is an action. Action gives you a result. Okay. So again, all the animals requested the sadhu for help, so he talked to the animals and birds and solved their problem. However, the sadhu didn't want to kill the jackal, but preferred to teach a lesson to it. What he wanted to do? He don't want to kill the jackal, but he wanted to teach a lesson. So again, we have got an cause and consequence. So what the animals are doing? All animals requested the sadhu for help. What these animals are doing? They went to sadhu and they are requesting the sadhu to help them. Okay. So he talked to the animals and birds and solved their problems. So what has happened? Animals went near the sadhu by to ask help. So they are going. This is an action. Okay. So what will be the result? The result is the sadhu went to the animals and he talked with the animals. Okay. So animals went near the sadhu and they asked for a help. Okay. They asked for a help. This is an cause or an action. So what will be the result? As a result, the sadhu also went near the animals and he talked with them. How? Like, you don't do like this is not the correct way, you be friendly, like that. He talked to the other animals. So what will be the cause? The animals went near the sadhu. And what will be the consequence? As a result, the sadhu went near the animals and he talked. Okay. The animals requested the sadhu. The animals requested the sadhu for what? For help. So then what will be the consequence? The sadhu talked to the animals. What he did? He talked to the animals. Talked to the animals. And the birds. Solved their problem. So what is happening here? The animals went and requested the sadhu for help. So what is the action here? They went near the sadhu and they are asking for a help. So then what will be the result? As a result, as the animals asked to help them, so what will be the result? The sadhu went near the animals and he talked to the animals so that he solved their problem. Okay, so these are the causes and these are the consequences. You can understand clearly. I have given you the meaning also. So please note it down. Okay, children, I hope you have noted this. Please note it down clearly so that you can understand the difference between cause and consequence. And you have to write it down in your textbook also. Like this, you have to write it down in your textbook also. So make a note, please. So today we have done with this single bit. And if I will do another bit, you will get confused. Okay. So that I have explained this. Please make it a note and keep it in your mind. Okay, thank you students. Today we'll end up with this session. Thank you.